The 2012 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, dual front airbags, four-wheel ABS, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, cruise control, keyless entry, automatic stability control, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 capability, trip odometer, power door locks, security system, power windows, satellite radio, power seat, power outlet, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.